Hi guys, welcome to Davinci Resolve Tutorial Tuesday. Over the past few weeks, I've done some research and I discovered that a lot of people like to use Davinci Resolve as a video editing software, but not everyone is as familiar with it as they would like, so I'm here to help. Over the next few weeks, I'll be uploading videos helping you with every aspect of Davinci Resolve that I think you need to get the most out of it. Some tips and tricks will be pretty basic, others will be more advanced. Whenever I watch a tutorial, I hate the 3-minute announcements and I pretty much just want to know how it works, so I won't keep you waiting. Let's take a look. Alright, hello again. Right now we're inside Davinci Resolve. I opened an untitled project and the first thing you see when you do that is this. We're going to start off with the 7 tabs you see at the bottom of the screen right here. We start off with Media, Cut, Edit, all the way up to Fusion, Fairlight, and in the end Deliver. At the start, when I was using Davinci Resolve, I actually only used 3 of these, which was Edit, Fairlight, and Deliver. Edit to do all the editing of my video and stuff like copying, pasting. Fairlight I really used only for audio, adding background music, setting sound levels, make sure not too loud, not too soft. And after you're done with that, Deliver is actually just finishing up and saving your video. So right now we're going to head into Edit and we're going to add a clip to media pool. You can add clips to media pool in the first 3 tabs. You can go to the top to File and then go to Import File, Import Media, and as you can see next to it there's also a shortcut key which is Ctrl Y, which I'm going to use right now because it's quicker. I already set up default clip, which is kind of an inception because you just saw it. And we're going to add it to the timeline by dragging it. Right now I got my first clip in the timeline. I can add more clips to my media pool and from there I can drag it to my timeline. Now I got the clip here. I'm going to edit it, but before I'm going to do it, I'm going to show you the shortkeys I'm going to use for it. So to go to shortkeys, you go to the top left again, Davinci Resolve, keyboard customization, and you can see as well it has a shortcut key for even going to the shortcut keys. Ctrl Alt K, and that opens a menu. Oh, come on, there we go. A little bit of a delay. Opens a menu, and right now I'm going to edit because that's the tab where I'm in, and I can scroll down, and as you can see, not all the shortcut keys are bound. You won't even need all of them, but the most important ones are. The ones I'm going to discuss with you today is undo, which is a really important one if you make mistakes. Ctrl Z, as you can see there. Paste, which is Ctrl V. Cut and copy, Ctrl X and Ctrl C to start off with just the basics. Okay, so 2 other ones is cut and select mode. These ones are the ones you pretty much are going to use the most. The blade edit mode is B shortcut. I can cut, and if I go back to A, if I don't go back to A and I try to drag, I make another cut. I'm gonna use Ctrl Z to remove the cuts or fix any mistakes really. So I use cut A, select the clip. Now it's 2 clips actually because I cut the clip in half, and I can drag it across the timeline. I can even say I want to make 2 cuts and I want to change the order of the clips. If I want to do that, if I change my mind or make a mistake, Ctrl Z until it's back to the start or wherever you want to go back to. Now this is just cut and dragging the clips. Of course, it's just the basics. What we're gonna do now is delete or actually cut an entire clip and Ctrl V, paste it. So cut, Ctrl C, paste, Ctrl V. I can just keep pasting it endlessly. But right now we're gonna just move to the 1 clip. If I want to copy the clip instead of cutting it, I can just do Ctrl C, and then Ctrl V to paste it. So it's actually just the same clip because we cut and copied the same clip. Ctrl Z to go back where we need it to be. And that is actually the first basics of using Davinci Resolve. I hope you enjoyed the video. And next week I'll upload another one and we'll grab some other functions of Davinci Resolve to discuss, and I'll show you then. For now, thanks for watching and goodbye. See you guys later.